All right, guys, so we are back from the disturbance with the Zoom. So we're going to continue where we stopped. As I was saying, feel free to volunteer, even if you're not sure, just try. It helps. And it also helps to build your confidence too as well, because sometimes persons are afraid. And sometimes our fear is one of the most crippling parts of our progress. All right. All right. So we were at question 13. And I think I was asking Miss Scott to try to do question 13 for us. She's not back as yet. So is there anybody else who would like to do question 13 for us?
Sir, I got negative 1.3 AB.
For question 13?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Did you hear my comment when Miss was it Miss Lang? When Miss Lang got her answer to the 0 point something something. Did you hear my comment, Miss Shea? Miss Shea, are you there?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. What was my comment again?
Sir, when you asked me why I said it's negative.
No, not for that one. When Miss Shea had divided 4A by negative 7B, she said that she got 0 point something over A over B.
Miss Shea, sir, it wasn't me.
Not Miss Shea, Miss Len, sorry. Miss Len.
Oh.
She was saying that she got 0, but I then said to her, you're not to use your calculator to divide the numbers because you're going to get decimals, and you don't need to have decimals for these answers. So all you need to do is to write the first term over the second term as a fraction. And then now you simplify it. You get what I'm saying, Miss Shea?
Yes, sir.
So with that in mind, what do you think the answer is supposed to be now?
Sir, 1.
I don't think you're understanding me clearly. What we want to do is to write the first term, which is the dividend, over the second term, which is the divisor, in a fractional form. So we would have what? Negative 5A. Following me, Ms. Shea?
Yes, sir.
Negative 5A over what?
1.
Over?
1.
Why would you get what?
So there is no fraction, you don't have any one.
No, man. We're putting the negative 5A over the 8B.
Sir, you were just in 4A with me.
It wasn't question 12 that we were doing, it's question 13.
Oh.
12, sir, before you cut.
Exactly.
Yeah, but was it you who did 12, Miss Shea?
No, sir, that's why I'm kind of confused with what you're saying. It wasn't me.
I understand. All right. I was saying that when Miss Lang was doing 12, she did the same thing that you were doing with 13. She divided the 4 by the 7, she got 0. That's the same.
I
What you
wasn't
wanted to do
13. I
is just,
think it was Kevira.
all right, not sure with it. But you understand what I'm saying, though.
Sir, I'm not.
I know that some of you are in a very noisy background, so it would be good if you can put your mics on silence, all right? Go ahead now, Miss Shea.
Sir, I'm saying I wasn't doing number 13. I did number 7.
So who is doing this one now? Because I was asking for this one, question 13.
Sir,
Sir,
I
let
think
me
it was
try.
Kevira.
Ms. Cabrera did 13.
Sir, when you got cut off, you were talking to her, so I think
When I got cut off, I think we were doing question 12.
I don't know, sir, but it wasn't me.
All right, so the question now, Miss Shea, can you do question 13 for us?
Okay, sir, I would say 5A over 1.
That means you're still missing what I was saying just now, right? When you have a division sign, right?
Yes, sir.
The division sign can serve as the bar in the fraction, right? So what this 5a, this negative 5a divided by 8b can be written as negative 5a as a numerator over positive 8b as the denominator. You follow what I'm saying now?
Yes, sir.
Right, because writing it like this is the same thing as saying 5a divided by 8b. So this division sign just, this bar takes the place of the division sign. Is that so?
Yes, sir.
All right, but this is not completed yet, because now we have in the numerator negative 5a, in the denominator we have positive 8. The overall fraction should be what?
5 over 8.
The sign and everything for the entire, for the overall fraction should be?
Negative 5 over 8.
Negative 5 over 8, right? And when we're writing the final answer, we put the negative sign in front, the division bar. Is that clear to you now?
Yes, sir.
All right, so this is what I'm expecting you to do. Who would like to do question 14 for me?
Sir, positive 1AB.
All right, so this would be written as negative 3a over negative 3b. And so we can simplify this. So if we divide negative into negative, the overall fraction becomes positive. But notice that the 3 in the numerator cancels with the 3 in the denominator. So the answer is just positive a over b. That's what you had said, Miss Clark, right?
No, sir.
Well, this is the answer. What was your answer just now?
Sir, I said positive 1A.
1AB. All right. Now, you wouldn't have AB when you're dividing. You would only have AB when you're multiplying. All right? Follow what I'm saying, Miss Clark?
Yes, sir.
Right. So once you're dividing, the first term going to be written as your numerator, and your second term that come after the division sign going to be written as your denominator. And so this now become a fraction. You cancel what you can cancel in the numerator with what can be canceled in the denominator. And in this case, -3 cancels with -3, so you only have A over B remaining. All right, is everybody clear on what we are doing here now? Let me see the hands of those who are clear on what we are doing. All right, very good, guys. So I think we're still in the stage of doing some more questions. So I'm going to ask you to try these now. And in about another 10 minutes or so, we will go through them just the same as what we were doing just now. All right, so you have about 10 minutes to complete these. Go ahead, students. All right, guys. Anybody ready for question 1? Who would like to go for question 1? Not question 1, rather question 15.
Sir?
2AB, sir.
All right. I heard 2 persons. All right, just to acknowledge who's a female.
Sir, it was Miss Cox.
Oh, okay. And who was the male?
Paisley, sir.
Okay, Paisley. All right. So you would like to say something, Miss Cox?
Sir, I was going to say the answer, but then he said it.
Okay. All right. So you can explain to us, Miss Cox, how we arrive at the answer though.
Sir, I said 4a over 2b, then I cancelled 2 into itself 1, 2 into 4 2 times, then equal 2a over b.
All right, so it's a 4a over 2b. And then we cancel the numbers. So 2 into itself 1, 2 into 4, 2. And then we have remaining in the numerator 2a over what we have remaining in the denominator would be b. Correct. Was that what you said, Mr. Paisley? Mr. Paisley, was that your answer?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
All right. Can I get a volunteer for the next question? Just raise your hand. Go ahead, Ms. Williams.
Sir, the answer would be 2ab over a.
All right, so let us just write it as a fraction first. So we have 4ab over 2a, and we would cancel. So walk me,
Yes, sir.
walk me through the canceling, Miss Williams.
So 2 into 2 goes 1 time, 2 into 4 goes 2. So it would be 2ab over a.
When you look at the a though, couldn't you cancel the a too as well?
Yes, sir. So the answer would be 2b.
So it would be just 2b.
Yes, sir.
All right. Thanks very much, Ms. Williams. Who would like to go for question 17? Go ahead.
Let me try, sir. Let me try. I have 12 square y z square over
I'm
4.
just going to do it over here.
Okay.
We have 12 square
12 x
square
square. Wait,
y z square over 4x z square. All right, go ahead now, Ms. Clark. Ms. Clark, are you there?
Sir, it wasn't me, it was Miss Travia.
Oh, sorry. Ms. Trevia?
yes, sir.
Yeah, continue now with the question. Question 17.
Alright, so 4 into 4 goes 1. 4 into 12 goes 2, goes 3. Sorry. Then
Okay.
I cancel the z square. I cancel those out. So I would have 3x square y over x.
All right. So as what I had mentioned with Miss Williams just now, once you have a common letter in the numerator and the denominator, it means that they can cancel, right?
So we should cancel the x.
Exactly. But
Okay.
in canceling with powers, what you do, the x below would, even though it is not presented there, when there's no
There's a 1.
the power is 1, right?
Okay.
Canceling with the power, all you need to do, the one with the smaller power,
Mm-hmm.
you subtract that smaller power from the one with the larger power, right?
So I leave it 1.
So, right, so this x to the 1 would cancel out x to the power 2, but one of the power would cancel out of the 2, the 1.
This
So this
x
would remain
1.
as x to the 1.
So it would be 3x to the 1 power over. Oh, nothing would be under there.
Don't forget about the y. So it is 3xy over 1, which is the same as just 2xy.
Okay, so it will be 3xy for the answer.
And in the denominator, you'd have 1. But you know,
Okay.
divide any number by 1, you get by the same number.
Yes, sir.
All right. Okay. Very good, Miss Trivia. All right. Is there any volunteer who would like to do question 18 for us? Did I call on someone? Miss Taylor, are you there? I haven't been hearing from you. Mr. Ojeno, you want to do question 18 for us?
Yes, sir. Let me try.
All right, so let me just clear this section so that we have some space to work with.
The answer I got is minus 2x squared b over a.
All right, let me just set it out for you and then now you can walk me through the process, all right? So we would write negative 12 x squared b all over 6b, 6a rather. All right, go ahead now, Mr. Ojeno.
6 into minus 12 goes 2 times, so you're going to have minus 2.
All right, so we'll just put the 2 up here, keep the minus sign where it is.
Yes. And 6 into itself goes 1 time. Then you're going to have minus 2x squared b over a.
All right, so it would be minus 2x squared b over a. Correct. All right, thanks very much, Mr. Ojeno. Who else would like to go for question 19? Anybody? Let me see if I can call on somebody.
Let me try, sir.
Who is trying now? Who wants to try? Miss Trivia? All right.
Yes, sir. Question 19.
Yes.
Okay, sir. I have 8a squared
All right, so we have 8a squared
and bc squared
c squared all over
yes, sir, c squared
question 19, right?
over 4, yes, 4 ac
4a
squared. 4.
All right, so what we do next now?
So 4 into 4 goes 1, 4 into 8 goes 2 times.
All right.
I cancel the c squares.
All right, so C square cancel with C square.
Yes, sir. Then A, I put the power 1. So so minus 1 up there would be A1.
Let's become 1 up there. What remains?
Minus 1 from the 2
No.
up the top.
All right, we have done that already.
And then the answer that I got would be 2A, 2A, 2AB over 1.
It's 2AB over 1, which is same as?
2AB over 1.
Right, so that is the same as just what? That is the same as 2 because if you divide any number by 1. All right, Ms. Fabian, thanks very much.
Yes, sir.
All right, so who would like to go now for question 20? Come guys, be brave.
Get the same answer.
Miss Cox, would you like to try question 20?
Sir?
Would you like to try question 20 for us?
Question 20, sir?
Yes.
No problem.
All right, let me just clear what I have here so that we can write. All right, so let us go ahead now. With question 20, we have what?
So, sir, I have 7 A times A times B times B.
All right, so you multiply out.
Yes, sir.
All right.
And then 3 over AB.
So where are we going to put that?
3, so sir, we are going to say 3 over AB.
We have to put all of what we have before the division sign over what comes after the division sign, right?
Yes, sir, that I was trying to say.
All right. So you have 3A times B. That's
yes, sir.
Okay.
And then we cancel now.
All right, let us cancel. Go ahead.
So, sir, A, cancel one of the A at the top.
All right, so A cancel one of the A at the top.
Same thing with the B.
B cancel one of the B at the top.
Then I said equal 7.
So what we have remaining at the top now?
Sir, 7A times B. So 7AB
All right, so we have
over 3
7AB
over 3.
over 3. Very good, Miss Cox. Thanks very much. All right, who is going for question 21? Miss,
Sir,
yes, who is saying that?
sir, A times A.
Who,
Yeah,
who is the person speaking?
Macintosh, sir, Mewa.
Macintosh. All right, so this here, question 21 would just be
A square.
A times A give you A square. All right, who's going for 22? Come, guys. Don't have a choice on this. Go ahead, Mr. P.
Negative B squared.
Minus B square. All right. How about question 23? Who is going for that? Miss Shea, do this one for us, huh? Are you there, Miss Shea? All right, Miss Taylor. I haven't gotten any response at all from you. Can do question 23.
They hearing me?
Yeah, I'm hearing you now. Go ahead.
So the answer for 23 is negative m squared.
Negative m squared.
Negative m squared.
All right, thanks much, Miss Taylor. Who is doing question?
Me, sir. Me do question 24. That will be positive p squared.
Hold on. Who is that, Mr. Campbell?
Yes, sir.
All right. So this would be positive p squared. The negative times negative give you positive. P times p give you p squared. All right, Miss, I think, who was just somebody?